Hi everyone, I am your friend Ram. So today we are starting a new series which is DSA series, DSA Interview Question series, where we will cover all the interview questions related to DSA. What are the trends going on? Like what are the questions in interviews the people are asking related to DSA. So we will cover all these questions one by one, and I'll upload 2 to 3 videos per week regarding the DSA questions in this series as and when I get time, and then we will discuss all the questions, and we will discuss multiple approaches for particular questions, because one question have multiple solutions, multiple approaches, multiple algorithms we can apply, multiple data structure we can apply there. So all these things we will cover in this series. So let's start today's question. So today we will discuss about the question which is calculate the maximum number of items the robot can pick in exactly k steps. So you have to it could be in the different language, but you have to understand the logic behind the questions, what the interviewer wants, uh, like putting these questions in front of us. So here it is saying here, see, don't go on the words. Here it could be robot, yeah, or like interview can say like, yeah, so calculate the maximum number of items you can pick in an exactly k steps, or in given steps, from a row or a row of racks, right? So you have to understand that thing. So here, let's understand these questions. Calculate the maximum number of items, right? The robot can pick in exactly k steps from a row, right? So we have a row, right? We have a row, and in row we have the, for example, racks. We have a row of racks, and in that row of racks, each rack is having either zero items, one, two, any items, right? It could have any number of items in that, at that particular place. So, and the robot is at some place, and from there it can go k steps only, right? K steps or given steps only, right? The robot can move left or right in each step. Either robot can go left or can go right, because there is a horizontal row, right? So now given robot position, so we will get the robot position where the currently robot is, and then k steps, how many steps robot can take, right? And then item position array input, right? So item position array means what are the, so example, for example, here see, so we will get this items array where zero index will denote the zeroth position, then first index will denote the first position, like what are that, how many items we have at the first position, right? So for example, here at zeroth position we have nine items, you can say. First position it could be zero items, right, here according to this array. And then second position, zero, third position zero, fourth position is one, right? Fifth position is seven. So uh, this is the items array we will get. And then starting position of robot is 5, and the robot can take up to 4 steps. So we have to now calculate maximum items, right? How many, or what would be the maximum items robot can pick, basically, right? So let's understand this with example first. Then we will, once we are like we are good with the questions, understanding the questions, then we will go to the code, and then I'll show you the code I have written already, and then I'll explain the code. How can we implement the logic? So basically most of the in most of the interviews, the people ask only for the logic. What are you thinking? What is your thinking process? So we will mainly focus on the logic, how to build the logic, or how can we go, or what would be your approach to these questions. So let's understand that thing first. So here, so I have put here two examples. So first example is we have a number of items here. It is 90001. So I have draw a simple diagram here. I am not good with diagrams, but yeah, let's go with it. So we have zeroth index, 9 element is there, 9 items is there. One index, zero item, right? Nothing is there. Second place, nothing is there. Third place, nothing is there, right? Fourth place, we are having one item here, right? Fourth place, we are having one item. Fifth place, we are having 7 items here. So I have put these numbers from this. I have taken these numbers from this array, right? Given array. So we will get an array of items. So now there are multiple things here, right? Two things basically. One is we can get array of items, right? And then the interviewer can say, yeah, so zeroth position, like each index will be a position. or we can get a collection of items with position. For example, like it can be given by 0 comma 9, so 0th position 9, then it could be like 4 comma 1 means fourth position one item, then it could be like 5 comma 7, right? So fifth position 7 items. So this could be given this a different way also, so you have to understand the thing. So here I have put all the items here. Now we have given that the starting position of the robot is 5, means currently the robot is at fifth place. So here is robot is waiting, right? And now here this robot is having fuel or electricity or battery charge is only for k steps, means 4 steps. Here it is given 4, right? So k is 4. So now robot can move 4 steps only from now, but we have to like apply the logic, or we have to make this robot to go in such a way that it can pick the maximum items, right? So what we will do, we will make the logic for this one. So pause the video for 3 seconds and think about it. How can you approach this problem? 1, go. So here what I will do, I will make a window here, this one and this one, right? Correct. So here what it will do, so we can pick these items only. One, two, three, four. Right? K is four, or robot can do only 4 steps. So here, what would be your answer? 9 only, right? And if we go left side, 4 items, right? 4 is here only, right? So if we go left side, then it will pick only 8 items. So this is not good approach. So what we will do now in this case, we will calculate the right side first, right? We will calculate right side first. Then this is 13. We can pick 13. Now what we will do? Now we will go one step left side, right? So what does it mean? We will loop from here, and here we will calculate this 7, 9, and 13. 13 is your maximum. Now what we will do? We will go one step left and then remaining step right. Are you getting my point? What we will do now? Here we will go left 0, means left we will not go. We will uh, complete all these steps right side only. So here right side, how many steps we can take? 4 steps, because k is or 4, right? And we did not do anything, right? So 4 steps, and the maximum we can earn is 13 point only, or 13 items only. Now what we will do? We will go one left and then remaining the right, right? So here what we will do, we will go from here, fifth is the current position. So what we will do, we will go one left and then remaining right, right? So one step is here, is done already, right? So here what is done, one step is already taken. So here one step, one, then it will come back, two, then three, then four. So right side it can come from till 7 only, right? So right side it can come by 7 only here, right? So now how many items it can pick now? In 4 steps, it is 8, 10, 14, right? 14. Now 14 is maximum, then the 13 older one. So what we will do, we will update this or bag with 14, right? So now we can pick 14 items. Okay, that is fine. Now again we will go one more left here. So here what we will do, yes. So here what we will do, from 5, from 5 we will go one step here, 1, then 2, right? Item picked only 8, then 3, then 4, right? So it can come from here only. So here this window would be this one only, right? One, 2, 3, 4. It can come back to 5 only this time. And the item is 8 only. So we will not update it because 8 is less than the 14. Right? Then again we will go this all the steps left side only, or 3 steps we can say, right? One, two, three, right? So we will go one, then 5 to 4, then 3, then 2, and then come back, because we have already like burned the 3 steps. One, two, three. Now it can come only one, so it will reach here only, right? So here how many we can pick? 8 only. That is also less than the 14, whatever we calculated, right? And then what we will do here, now we will go to all the 4 steps left side only, right? Now So this is the approach what I am thinking. If and it will give always 14, right? This one. Okay. So let's try this same approach with the second example. And here second example is the row item is here we have given where zeroth row three items is there at one position. One item is there, second position, four item is there, third position, one item is there, fourth position, five item is there, right? And so on, right? So what we will do now, same approach we will apply here. What we will do, so if you are not getting, that is fine. We will understand it with the code also, that you can understand, right? I'll explain the in code also the same thing, same logic what I am explaining here, right? So what logic we have explained. So what we will do, first we will go write all the four steps. Okay. So yeah, okay. So here we have to understand all the four steps from 5 to 9, right? So here K is given 4. That's why I am taking 4. Start position is 5. Robot is at 5 place. So robot will go from 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, and it will collect all the items. So all the items, the sum of all the items is what is this? So it is like a max sum we can say, right? So here maximum is 9 plus 2 11, then 6 17, then this is 22 and then 25, right? So it would be 25. Okay, that is fine. And this is also maximum, and this is also sum also, right? Sum is 25. So now what we will do? Now we will go one step left and then come back right, the remaining steps. So we will what we will do now here, uh, we will go one step left and then remaining is right, right? So we will go one step left here, from here. So 9 plus 5, that is 14, correct? 14, then we will come back, already picked up. Then this one, third step. Then this one is fourth, right? 1, 2, 3, and fourth. So it can come to this one only. So let me shrink my window here, right? It can come here. 5 to 4, one step, then 4 to 5, second step, then third step, then fourth step. Now how many items it can collect in this window? So it would be 9 plus 5, that is 14, then 16, then 6, that is 22. Correct? Am I correct? 9, then 14, correct, then 16, and then 22. So here sum would be 22 in this window. But sum is not greater than this max sum, so we will not update it, right? We will leave it. Now what we will do here? So we will now we will go the left, two steps left, and then remaining right, right? So here what we will do? Here we will see our window two steps left and then right. Right. So it will go 5 to 4, 1, 2, then 3 and 4. It can come to 5 only now. Right? Are you getting? It will, because it will burn two steps going left and two steps coming back. So 4 are done. So that's why. And here it can pick in this 1, 5 and this 15. 15 is less than 25. So it will not update this one. So till now the maximum item we can collect by going right, and that is 25. So now what we will do, we will go 3 step left and then remaining right. So what we will do now, from 5 we will go to fourth, one step is done, then 3, one step is done, then this one 3 step is done, then coming back to 3, one step is done. So 4 steps are done and we can collect the 19 only, right? 9, 5, 1, 4, 19 items. 19 is less than 25. So we will not update the maximum sum, right? So now what we will do, we will go the 4 step left and then remaining right. Remaining will be 0, right? Because 4 are done. So now how many items we can collect from here? 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 1, and 1, sorry, 2, 2 to 1, correct? And the item is 9, 5, 14, 15, 19, and 20. 20 is less than 25, right? So we will not update the max sum, right? So this would be our approach. That is what I am thinking. If you are thinking any other approach, then let us know. Let the other people know about this and get them benefited, right? And the same approach I am first going right. It could be you can apply the approach in such a way that you can go left and then right. First go left and then right. So that is also fine. So now we will let's see the code. How can we implement in C++ this approach so that we can solve this problem. So let's take the first example, whatever we discussed. So this one here, this is the items array, right? With position. So zeroth position 9 element, and then so on. And then here starting position of the robot is 5, and k it can take the step 4 only, right? This is our main function, or you can say client. And here this is our function which give us the how many items we can pick or robot can pick maximum, the max items in k steps. So we are passing the row, or right, where the items are placed, and then starting position of the robot, and then steps, how many steps it can take here. So we are going, and we are calculating the size of the row, right? Size of the row we are calculating because we do not want the robot go beyond the end of the row or starting of the row. So that's why limiting that robot in that complete row only, we are calculating the size here. So here we want that robot should not go beyond 0, right? And it should not go beyond 10, because this is our complete row only. So for that, uh, for this purpose, I am calculating the size here, right? And max items we will store here, maximum items the robot can pick in particular or in given case steps, right? So here we first calculating the left moves. So we will go all the right. That's why we are taking first left moves would be 0, and then we will here go inside the loop here, and then we will see right moves. How many right moves we can take now? K steps minus the left moves whatever we have taken. So that is 0. So now right, how many rights we can go now? 4. K is given 4, right? That's why I'm saying 4. So K steps we will go, all the K steps we will go right side only. So here we are going left position, we will calculate start minus left moves, comma 0. Whatever the maximum we see here, that would be your left boundary. So that we are calculating here in the left position. And right position, how many right positions we can reach now? Because left is 0, and see here left position we will start from the left now. Whatever we have reached left side, from there how many steps we can take right side, that we will go here. So left position plus right moves, how many we can take, whatever this k, right? Left position is 0 here only. So this would be sorry, left position would be here 5, because we did not take any moves left side. Left is 0, right? Starting is 5. 5 minus 0, that is 5. 5 comma 0, and whatever the maximum is 5 in between 0 and 5. So left position would be 5 here, and there here left position would be 5 plus right moves. Right moves, how many right moves we can take? 4, right? K is 4. So here, right? K minus left moves, so a 4. So 4 plus 5, that is 9, and this is our boundary, right? So whatever the minimum, we can take that one only. So that would be your right boundary, your right position the robot can move up to, right? I hope you are getting it. And then here what we are doing, we are calculating, or we are like adding all the items in that range, from robot can go to up to that it can reach, right, in k steps. So all the items we will calculate in total items, right? And if the total item is greater than the or maximum items, right, then we will update the maximum items. So this will we iterate it. So let me run this. uh, Let me build it. Okay, so I'm creating the exe here, and I'll run it. So see 14. So here we were getting 14 only, right? One left, and then right. So this is 14 only. So now taking the second example here. So if we go with second example, let me comment this one, and uncomment the second array of items, and let me build it again, and run it. See here 25. It is giving me 25, and 25 we have discussed already. How can we achieve 25 here? So if we go all the rights here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then this is 25, 9 to 11, 17, this is 22, and 3, that is 25, right? So this is our maximum we can achieve by going all the rights here. But here in the above case, the previous case, first we have to go left, and then the remaining right? Means 4 steps, 1, then coming back 2, 3, and 4 steps it can go. So right, so this way we can achieve the maximum here. So I hope you got it. So let me know in comment if you want me to debug this code and showing all the elements like all the variables which is having what value and all those things, then in further videos we can approach that we can go with that approach also. I did not debug it because it is debug will take time, right? Showing all the elements, and then because I am already explaining you all the logic, whatever I am thinking, I am applying through the diagram and all those things, right, in detail. But still, if you want me to debug, then I can do that also for you people. Thank you for watching the complete video. If you want to support me, then please like the video, share the video with your friends, and give me your valuable feedback so that I can improve in the video, or whatever you want, I can include that also. See you next time. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Yeah, bye bye.